Hey sis, I just want to congratulate you on your monetization. Finally, you did it. Have your ads now in your video. And I'm very happy kasi you deserve this. I know how much hard work you put into it. And finally, you get it. Ito, nakuha mo na siya and you really deserve it. This is the start of your YouTube career. So, good luck and God bless you. I hope you will get more subscribers and more hard work. Ito na yung time na kailangan mo mag-double effort para gumawa ng more content. I know you will have good content. I know. And I just want, I'm very happy. I'm really happy. I don't have any words to say, but congratulations and good luck in your YouTube career. Thank you sis, and thank you for being part of our group, and sana hindi ka umalis sa group natin ngayon na monetize ka na. Thank you so much sis. God bless and congrats. Bye.
Hello Jen, Dex here. I just want to greet you congratulations for reaching the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I hope you enjoy monetization. Also, I want to greet you advance happy birthday. Thank you for the friendship all through the years. Congratulations once again.
Hello madam. So ayun, feeling ko hindi talaga bagay sa Inday Jen eh. Bagay talaga sa is madam. So lagi kitang tinatawag na madam kasi wala lang, trip ko lang din magtawag na madam. So ayun, so una sa lahat, congratulations kasi monetize na yung channel mo. And hopefully lahat tayo naman talaga nag-strive for monetization. So nauna ka na kasi ang sipag-sipag mo talagang gumalaw at kumilos para ma-monetize yung channel mo. So gusto ko lang sabihin natin pula ko kasi this time ako para talaga sa group natin. So hindi ako nagsisisi na nag-volunteer ako to be part of the admin sa ating GC. So ayun ulit, maraming salamat and congratulations ulit to you. So magpapakain na yan. So ingatan pa din natin yung channel natin and hopefully mas madami pa tayong pagsamahan at madami pa tayong mas malayo pa yung marating ng ating mga challenge. So ayun lang, good luck and God bless to you. Bye.
Hi, Sis Inday Jenny! Congratulations! Monetize ka na! Sana kami naman sunod. I love you! God bless!
Hi! Congratulations! Keep on vlogging and enjoy! Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Hi! Congratulations nga pala sa'yo, be! Inunahan mo pa ako! My God! Sana magtuloy-tuloy pa yung vlogging natin and keep on enjoying. Keep on enjoying. Enjoy mo lang. And we all support you all the way.
When we talk about monetization, it speaks of money, right? May kwarta. I mean ads pala. Anyway, congratulations to you, dear. Ganda,
po. Good evening po sa lahat ng LYTCP YouTubers. Gusto ko lang po mag-congratulate kay Ma'am Jean Lynn kasi monetize na yung kanyang channel. See you soon po. God bless and keep on vlogging.
Hello, Ma'am Jenny. First and foremost, I would like to say congratulations to you for reaching your goal and for being a monetized channel. I am so happy for you, and all admins are so happy for you. We are all LYTCP family are so happy for you, and they are so happy for you. Ito, Ma'am Jenny, despite of your all those hard works and sleepless nights, finally you made it. Ang pagiging hard work mo has really paid off. Sobrang worth it talaga. Ay, sana all. Ma'am Jenny, baka may papansit ka dyan. Padalhan mo ko dito sa Pinas, ah. Oh, no! Well, since you reached your goal, and I know that being a monetized is another new chapter of your life, all I want to say to you, Ma'am Jenny, is continue what you're doing, more vlogs. Yes, dapat more vlogs para mas succeed ka sa YouTube. And more opportunity will come in your life. And may God continue to bless you. Yes, don't forget to thank God of how blessed you are. And good luck in your YouTube channel, Ma'am Jenny. So, I think nasabi ko na lahat kung anong gusto kong sabihin sa inyo. So, again, congratulations for reaching a monetized size. Yeah. Congratulations for reaching your... No. Oh my God! Again, congratulations and good luck.